This should be an interesting day. Today, we're visiting the Mid-Continent Railway Museum in North Freedom, Wisconsin. We've decided to take an excursion ride, and this weekend you have the option of riding in one of their restored 1906 wooden passenger cars. I'm going to begin the first part of this journey riding in their restored 1906 wooden passenger coach. They don't bring these out to the public very often, and I'm really enjoying some of the small details, such as the stained glass and some of these beautiful and functional window hardware. We've gotten to the end of the track where the locomotive goes around the train, attaches to the other end, and now it's my turn to ride up front. Yes, I'm taking a cab ride! Woohoo! Here's my seat. Hello. But all too soon we are returning back to the museum. You might be interested to know that the museum's depot was originally built by the Chicago and Northwestern Railway in 1894, and it was located at Abelmans, Wisconsin, which is 3 miles west of North Freedom. This museum has more than 40 locomotives and cars in its collection, but we only took the time to see the outside displayed ones because we wanted to ride our excursion and then photograph the next one. though we didn't get to see the entire collection here, I think you can tell we had a good time. And if you enjoyed this video, please, please, please let me know by clicking that like button. Thank you. Like this and want to see more? Subscribe to this channel and you'll get to see all the latest videos. Don't forget to push like and share. Thank you so much.